I pour the vinegar? Yeah.
You do 10 drops, right?
Still needs a little more. Yeah.
That's what he did. He just put it in and he didn't have. It's a big
Bro,
one.
you're gonna break it
bag,
because of
girl.
your ring.
Okay. Although it's out.
Otto, you're gonna break it with your ring.
Oh my god.
This is a big one, so
Got a little finger juice in there.
Definitely.
it should. I hope it's gonna work.
Okay, now pour it in.
Dude, oh my god, you hear it?
Yeah.
Jerked it all
Okay,
down.
so I put it in there.
It's not even full.
Wait.
Does that really make a difference? Or
Can't see, dude.
Wow, this like miss is completely at the bottom.
10
I'll
drops.
give it. Let me see how this one is.
You duct
Dude,
tape
look
the
how shallow
bottom
it
so it
is.
won't leak.
Okay then.
10
So
drops.
she has one.
What color is he having? 1.
7,
8, 9, 10.
11.
Okay. Just make sure.
That's the same thing.
Okay, John. This should work now.
I'm gonna do
I'm in charge of the colors, everybody. I'm back.
I'm in charge of pouring.
We're all packing up.
Go, bro. Hurry up. Okay.
That was a good one.
Look at that. It's a runoff, dude. You made a runoff.
It killed the lizard.
No. Leave the lizard alone. No.
Can I take it out? Can I take it off? Lizard.
Here, let me see the lizard.
What in the world? Can I drop them?
Go ahead.
So what? I'm doing April Fool's.
Alright.
Said I could.
Don't mess with the rocks, okay?
Okay, put it aside then.
Who's gonna go next?
What color are you gonna have?
She is.